Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm finally getting around to react to all of the NCT Wishes MV. So after I got into them through my friend and reacted to like Steady and their recent comeback, I wasn't actually able to watch all of their MVs before, like all of the MVs that they came out before Steady. So, and I was actually planning on doing that. It's just that I didn't really get the time to do it, like because there were just so many and I kind of wanted to do them like in one go. So I'm actually finally getting the time to do this today. So I'm just gonna get this over with and watch it so that I can actually vibe to their other previous songs. Okay, so because there's quite actually a lot of them, I'm just gonna try to go through them very quickly with you guys. So let's just get started right away. So the first video is going to be before they debuted. So when they were still called NCT New Team, which the song is called Hands Up. Okay, so we're gonna start with this and we're gonna try to go in the order that they came out. Okay. Oh my gosh, the very first MV, right? By them, which was last year, I think. Ooh. Oh my gosh, they look so cute. They look so young, even younger here. Oh, so this is a Japanese song. Okay. So they came out with a Japanese song first. Oh, but I really like their like customized uniform. Oh, the background is also Japan. Jenny! Oh! Okay, so I have heard of this song before. This is a really good song. I like it. It's really addictive too. Oh, Riku. Oh, so it's like they're like on a baseball team. I mean, they're high schoolers, but and they're trying to run away from this neon green slimy thing. Is that like trying to like make them into NCTwish or something? I don't know. When they were like just normal high school students. I don't know. It's just me just making things up. But I really like this chorus part. It's really good. Ooh, that wave. Okay, so they're trying to get rid of it. Ooh, it's getting bigger. Ooh. Whoa, what happened? Green gas. I guess it's not a good thing. What does it say? NCT like new team, I think. Oh my gosh, I just love like their outfits all the time. I don't know. It's just like their stylists like make them have such like pretty clothes on them. And I just noticed that they also have like blushes, which is really cute. Oh, and that like part is also really cute. Yay! That's really cute. Oh, was that a dream? Oh my gosh, okay, so I guess that slimy thing is like, it just like went into his Yushi's baseball or something, I don't know. Okay, but anyways, so that was a really cute video, and I think this next one, Love the Way That We Go, I think that is also when they, like it was also before they debuted, right? So they're still like NCT new team. So we're gonna just dive into this right away as well. Okay, captions on, ready? Yeah, NCT new team. Oh, is this like when they're actually, oh, when they're actually performing? Oh wait, no. I'm sorry. Oh, it doesn't have captions. Was this when they were actually in the survival show? That's so cute. Oh my gosh, their voices is so soft. Is it, or is it when they're like recording their actual song? We go, we go. That's cute. Oh my gosh, Takuya looks so cute. He looks so small. But I feel like the guys are growing like really fast, like day by day. So I guess this is like the back, like the BTS of how they're being, how they're preparing for their debut, maybe. Oh my gosh, but they look so small and cute, like so young and youthful. And I just love how raw this is, like, oh, this is so wholesome. Oh yeah, they're wearing their the outfit from before the Hands Up MV. Was this like when they were in Japan? I think, yeah. Wow, that's a big crowd. Oh my gosh. Oh, they were also, oh, okay. Oh, okay, so it's not just their performance, it's like, I think this is like an SM concert maybe. Because I heard that they debuted during the SM concert. So maybe that's it? I don't know. Like in Japan, when they had the concert. So this is so cute. I guess this probably also has a dance? I don't know. It's really cute to see how they prepare for this. Wow. Oh, was Yushi crying? Oh my gosh. I really wanted to see this part where yeah, I loved how the song ended, the MV ended like this when they're actually now being revealed to the fans like this. Yeah. And then it says something at the end. Okay, let's go grab a dream from now. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, I just loved, I wanted to like just point that out, that like I love how this ends here like this. But anyways, that was really cute. Okay, so that was really good. Okay, next now I'm gonna react to Nctwish NASA performance video. Okay, so from here on, they're now called Nctwish. So I guess this is their official like pre-release of their debut, right? Because I think that's what I heard. So NASA performance video. Okay, let's watch this. Ready? Okay, definitely like a spaceship vibe. Ooh, wait, does it have captions? Yeah. So up until now, it was all like Japanese. language song. Wow. This is so cool, the concept. Ooh. Wow. I always realized that like every time they dance, like and like their choreography, they're so like jumpy and like you can tell that their body's so light that it looks so easy for them. But it actually isn't. Ooh. We going up like NASA. Oh wait, so it feels like they have Korean and like Japanese and English mixed in one song. Am I tripping? I don't know. Okay, well that was really cool. Okay. Ooh, so they're showing that this is how they're actually going to debut, going up like NASA. Oh, that was really good. Okay. Okay, so that was their pre-release, and now finally, it is their official debut song, right? Wish. So it's really cool. I feel that it's really good that they're actually debuting with like a song called Wish because they are NCT Wish. Their debut song, Wish Korean version. Let's react to this. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, just suddenly couple fighting. Whoa! That's not good. That is not good. Wasn't that a person? It's probably one of the NCT members. Yeah, that was real. Oh wait, I think I get what's going on. Cause their concept is cupids, right? Are they like making the couples come back together? Like for them to make up? Maybe. What? They're so cute. Oh yeah, I think that's what it is. That's really cute. And they already look like Peter Pans for some reason. Whoa, they're falling down from the sky. Oh yes, I definitely remember this chorus. I've heard it before. Oh yes, yeah, they're definitely going for that Cupid vibe. Oh! Wait, was that? Okay, well, I guess that was... I guess it was a mistake, but it did go well, kind of, I guess. Like, cause he shot the dog. I don't know. But this is really cute. Are they gonna... Oh, this is a... I really love this song. Yeah, the chorus is really cute. So are they gonna like make new couples? Whoa. That just suddenly surprised me. The sculpture. Did he just put pants on him? What the hell? That's funny. Okay, so they're making new couples now. Oops. Okay, she fell in love with a tree. Oh wow, okay, making out with a tree. I feel like, okay, I feel like the boys need to work on their shooting skills. They're gonna be a cupid. But it's really cute. Ooh! Oh my gosh, their white outfits. Oh, okay, yeah. They're actually practicing. Oh my gosh, Yushi needs to practice a lot. This is really cute though. I guess they're like, they fell from the sky because they're like angels, Cupid angels. Oh my gosh, Jay! Look at him singing! Oh my gosh, Sakuya looks so good. Okay, I'm really curious how they're going to do this now. Is Yushi going to be able to shoot well now? Oh, this part is really cute though. Like I said, they're so jumpy. Oh! Wait, so Sakuya got hit? That was unexpected. But why did he like jump in front of that? Okay, well that was unexpected, but that was like a really interesting twist to that. Okay, but that was really cute, like how their debut song is like this, with the MV. It's really cute. Okay, so I see that they have a Japanese version MV to this as well. Okay, so I feel like this is a little different, the Japanese version. Like it does have a few like similar moments, but I feel like some are also a little different. So I'm gonna just watch this as well. Okay, same couple fighting. Mm-hmm. Okay, maybe it's similar. I think it's the same, maybe. Oh my gosh, but I can't wait to actually watch the dance practice and the live as well. Oh! It is kind of different, I feel like. Oh, and I kind of realized maybe Sakuya wanted to get hit by the gun because he wanted the girl to fall in love with him because she saved him from the water, right? I think that's the reason why. Maybe. It is a little different, I feel like. There's some like different parts. See, like this part. I don't think I've seen it before. And like this part, like Riku, whatever he's doing. Okay, so I guess he was working hard to make the love come true. I don't know if that worked here. But okay, yeah, I must say I really love this white outfit on them. It's really cute. Did he just shoot the fish? Wow. I just realized they actually fell in the water. Oh my gosh, Jay, he is so cute. Okay, so Riku was supposed to make these two couples fall in love, right? I mean, like they were all supposed to. Oh! What happened? So Riku shot him. Oh, shot the dog. Oh, and made like the other two couples fall in love. Oh, that's really cool. So, okay, it felt like the two like versions of the Wish MVs, they had like a different conclusion, right? Because like when Yushi was shooting, because it was like the same scene, but it felt like when Yushi was shooting, he shot Sakuya because he came in front of him. And then for the Japanese version, I felt like it was the same situation, like the same scene. But then when Riku was going to shoot the guy, he actually shot the dog instead. I think it was a mistake or something and made like the other couples fall in love. But yeah, anyways, I feel like that was like a little different, that part was. Anyways, okay. So I'm just gonna now quickly react to NCT Wish performance video. I'm actually really excited to see what the whole performance looks like. So we'll do that right now. Okay, ready? Oh my gosh. Their outfit. Guys. I just love how they have such like pure, cute outfits that suit them so well. And the fact that they have like red key like point. Oh, I can't speak. like small parts of their clothes that are a little red makes them look more Cupid-like. Like they look like real angels and fairies that would actually, like it feels like these kind of fairies will actually be there somewhere in the parallel universe making people fall in love. Oh my gosh, but Ryo's jacket thing, the hoodie zip up thing is really cute. Like it really makes him look like fairy. No, honestly, they all look like fairies. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It just like makes you so happy just looking at them. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Sion. Oh! I just realized they had the arrows like come in, right? And that kind of changed the environment, like the atmosphere around them. Wait, so okay, Yushi, I think he dyed his hair red here for this MV. Like it suits really well with his outfit. Jaehee! I don't know, I just feel like I have to mention Jaehee all the time whenever he's on screen, like in the front. Oh my gosh, they're always so cute. How is he able to have that hoodie on his head the whole time? Oh my gosh, and I love Sakuya's arm warmer thing. This is so cute. Oh, and I always realize that Riku, whenever he's dancing, he has that really big smile on him that makes you also get excited when you see him, because he looks very excited when he's performing. Like, I think that's a very good part about him, like a strong part about him. So that was all for, I think that was all for the NCT Wish all the Wish videos. So now I'm gonna be reacting to their Songbird MVs, but I just realized they also have like a trailer thing, like a trailer video thing for this. So it's called Missing Bird in Cupid Museum. So I think, if I'm correct, this is like a trailer before they released the Songbird MVs, right? So let's just watch this quickly and see what it is. Okay. This doesn't have subs, I think. Cupid Museum, okay. Okay, so Shion with beard. We invite you. Should turn around for a second. Cupid Society. Ooh. Okay. So this is the Cupid Museum where actual Cupids are working. They're making their own. This is so cute. Aww. Oh my gosh, Sakuya with this bread. History exhibition, okay. This is so cute. Them actually showing like the history of Cupid. And it's not going really well. The present. Okay, so this is how they do it now. That's so cute. What happened? Oh! The kid ran away. Is he like missing? Oh my gosh, but this is so cute. Like the way they're acting. And like being actually Cupids. Okay, when is Sakuya ever going to have that bite of the bread? Oh my gosh, and I also love their like Cupid uniform. It's so cute. The fact that it was like specially customized for them. Why? Why no? What is that bird? Oh wait, is that the songbird? I don't know what a songbird is, but I guess that was a songbird. The fact that it has a QR code though, that's funny. Okay. So I feel like that was the trailer, but I still don't know exactly what a songbird is. Maybe it is just a bird that sings. Well, maybe we'll be able to find that out through the MVs. Okay, so this is the NCTwish Songbird NV now, and I feel like the Japanese version came out first, right? Because I think I put them in this order. Yeah. Okay, so we'll react to this now. Ready? I don't think I know what the song sounds like. I think. Okay, it's a game. What's going on? Oh my gosh, Yushi's blue hair. I feel like the comeback of this, like the theme of this, color theme of this comeback maybe is blue. I don't know, it feels like Songbird kind of reminds you of like color blue. Oh my gosh, that's so small.
Feels good.
Ooh, that's a cool way to start the MV. Ooh. This is really cool. Where are they? Oh, okay, so it's like a mailing company in heaven. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, I think I've also heard this song before, but it's less familiar than the other ones. Oh my gosh, it was Shion with pink hair is really cute too. Oh my gosh, are they like packaging star candies? Who are they for? Wow, Sakuya's clothes. Oh my gosh, I just love how they always have these special uniforms customized for them for every comeback. Oh my gosh, okay, so they're making star candies. That's really cute. Oh my gosh. I used to love those when I was young. Special keychains. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Them dancing in this like grass field is so pretty. I think I also saw Riku say like muri 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 when they were like driving in the car. Oh, they have like these star candies in front of them. Oh, that changed so quickly, like the same as when they were entering the storm. That's cool how they did that. Like that break, the bridge part, they made it as if it was like a storm. Oh, so like the star candies are like, what are they called? The star thing that flies. Oh, I don't know my English. Like those stars that make that help you like your wish come true. Okay, wait, maybe if you eat it, your wish comes true. Oh, that's so cute. They're like little Santa Clauses. But not in Christmas. Oh wait, was Yushi dreaming? It kind of feels like it's always Yushi dreaming for some reason. I don't know. Okay. I'm just like trying to like put everything together. That was really cute. Okay, so I think we're gonna go straight into reacting to oh wait, so it feels like, okay, so I just realized that before the Korean version of Wish came, they have Tears Are Falling, like summer movie, like a Korean version of that before the actual Korean version MV came out. So maybe, okay, so I'll just react to this first. There's so many things that came out, and then maybe I'll react to the Korean version of Songbird. Okay. It's kind of interesting how they always have like these stories before they actually come out with a full song. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Do they all each have their own t-shirt that has their name on it? That's pretty. It's like they're on their like small summer vacation together with the guys. Oh my gosh, Riku was singing. I don't think I saw him sing a lot. Wow, this is such a summer vibe. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And I just love how they always have like stars, because like stars are like their trademarks, right? Because that's their concept, like making the wishes come true as like NCTwish. Ooh, I really like this part in the song. But I also really like the song. Like this is kind of like my type of song. How it's like kind of slow and wholesome, but with like also rap. I don't know. Oh my gosh, but it must have been really fun also to film this. Oh my gosh, these boys have such great skin. Oh, everything about this is so beautiful. So pretty. Oh, was that it? Okay. Okay, so next is the NCTwish Songbird, the Korean version. And actually, I didn't know that this was the last MV of this video that I'm reacting to, because this was the last MV that I didn't watch. And I can't believe I actually got through all of them today, like in one video. But so this is the last one. So we're just going to react to this quickly. I'm actually really excited to watch the Korean version, because it was like only this summer in July that they came out with this. It's really recent. So it feels like they're still working are they still working? Yes, they're in their express place. But I don't know if I saw them dance in this outfit, right? With the work outfit. Okay, so this is a wish order. So they're working at an express company where they make the wishes come true with the stars, right? I'm getting this. Finally. Oh, that choreo is really, that's really brilliant how they did that with the hand. Because that's representing like the songbird, right? Wow. Riku rapping. Oh wow, I love Shion's hair. So here he had pink hair, but like for the other performance dance section, he had like a really cool hair too. Oh, it really feels like they've been filming this MV in a lot of different places with different hair, because you can kind of tell through Shion's hairstyle. Oh, this section of the MV kind of sounds magical, and then it goes into this dance break, which is really cool as well. Like it sounds very magical, like almost like Harry Potter in a way, like that kind of sound. Is that just me? I don't know. And I just love how like it's just so pretty, all of like NCT Wish's like MV, the way like they make these like backgrounds as well. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Oh, this is a cool part. Wow. Yay. Okay guys, I can't believe I just got through that whole thing in one go, but like it was really fun to watch like consecutively all of these beautiful MVs of the boys like at once. Like, and I just love the fact that all of the MVs were just so pretty, and it all had these special storylines to them, and like how like you can definitely tell like SM put a lot of effort into these boys MVs in a way, like, and like you can definitely tell it is very different also from like all the other NCT MVs, as well as like their other groups in SM, because they also have a very strong concept as a group of being like really like very cute and lovely, I feel like, and like very fresh and youthful and just like so happy. Like they give off such a happy vibe. Like it just makes you so happy the moment like you watch the MV as well. So I really liked that part about watching all the MVs here with Nctwish. And I'm actually now more excited to watch the dance practices and the performances as well, which is actually what I'm going to be reacting to next for my other Nctwish videos. So I hope you guys also look out for that. But that was actually it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did. And I will see you guys again in my next video.